Looking for shower or wet room installation in Strathcona County? At Kingstree Plumbing, we understand how important it is to have a bathroom that's both functional and stylish. Our shower or wet room installation services offer custom solutions tailored to your space, providing modern designs with durable waterproofing. Whether you're upgrading for style, accessibility, or space efficiency, we ensure every installation is seamless and built to last. In Strathcona County, we know that homeowners need reliable, expert craftsmanship. That's why our team delivers top-quality installations with precision and care, ensuring long-term satisfaction. Keep watching to see why Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for shower or wet room installation in Strathcona County.